Dear students, today we will see next chapter, amines. Definition of amine. Amines are derivatives of ammonia in which 1, 2 or all the 3 hydrogen atoms are replaced by alkyl or aryl group. For example, ammonia, the formula for ammonia is NH3. Now let us replace one hydrogen atom from ammonia by alkyl group. We will get RNH2, that is primary amine. Replace one more hydrogen, we will get R2NH, that is secondary amine. And if we replace all the 3 hydrogen atoms by 3 alkyl groups, then we get R3N, that is tertiary amine. Classification of amines. Depending upon number of replacements of hydrogen atoms from ammonia, amines are classified into 3 groups. Number 1, primary amine. Amines obtained from ammonia by replacing one hydrogen atom by alkyl or aryl group are called primary amine. Primary amines are represented by the formula RNH2. The functional group is NH. It is known as amino. For example, CH3NH2, methylamine, C2H5NH2, ethylamine, etc. Secondary amine. Amines obtained from ammonia by replacing 2 hydrogen atoms by alkyl or aryl group are called secondary amines. Secondary amines are represented by the formula R2NH. The functional group present is NH, known as imino. For example, dimethylamine, ethylmethylamine, etc. Tertiary amine. The amines obtained from ammonia by replacing all the 3 hydrogen atoms by alkyl or aryl groups are called tertiary amines. Tertiary amines are represented by the formula R3N. The functional group is nitrogen with unsatisfied 3 valencies, known as nitrile. Example, ethyl dimethylamine, trimethylamine, ethyl methyl propylamine. Simple and mixed amines. Secondary and tertiary amines are classified as simple or mixed amines according to alkyl groups attached to nitrogen are same or different. Methods of preparation of amines. First method, using ammonia and alkyl halide. Alkyl halide, when heated at 373 Kelvin with excess and alcoholic ammonia in a sealed tube, it gives primary amine. In this reaction, halogen atom is replaced by NH2 group. This is ammonolysis, that is splitting by ammonia of alkyl halides. This method is known as Hofmann's method. This reaction is an example of nucleophilic substitution reaction in which ammonia molecule acts as nucleophile due to presence of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom. The order of reactivity of alkyl halide is Ri, then RBr, then RCl. The general reaction is as follows. Rx, alkyl halide, heated with alcoholic ammonia, it forms RNH2, that is primary amine, and HX. The amine obtained by the above method is not in free state because it reacts with the byproduct halogen acid, that is HX. To get amine in the free state, HX must be neutralized by using strong alkali like NaOH. Next method of preparation of amine is reduction of nitroalkanes. Nitroalkanes, that is nitroparaffins, on reduction with SN concentrated HCl form primary amine. The other reducing agents can be used for the reaction are Ni, that is nickel, Pt, that is platinum, Pd, that is palladium, or lithium aluminium hydride. This reduction of nitroalkane is due to liberation of nascent hydrogen when SN reacts with HCl. The general reaction is as follows. RNO2, that is nitroalkane, it reacts with 6 hydrogen atoms which are generated due to reaction between SN, that is tin, and hydrochloric acid. It forms primary amine and water. Next method of preparation of amine is reduction of oximes. Primary amines can be obtained by the reduction of oximes of aldehydes and ketones either with sodium in presence of alcohol or lithium aluminium hydride. Oximes are obtained from aldehydes and ketones by the reaction with hydroxylamine. The general reaction is as follows. RCH double bond NOH, that is aldoxime, plus 4 nascent hydrogen in presence of sodium and ethyl alcohol, it forms primary amine. And if for the reduction ketoxime is used, then we get amine with 2 alkyl groups as shown below. Next method of preparation of amine is reduction of alkyl cyanides. Alkyl cyanides on reduction by using active metals like sodium and alcohol form corresponding primary amine. The general reaction RCN, that is alkyl cyanide, reacts with 4 hydrogen which are liberated due to reaction between sodium and alcohol. It forms RCH2NH2, primary amine. Next context is reactions of amines. First reaction that illustrates basic nature of amines. Amines are weak organic bases. This basic nature can be explained as follows. Number 1. As amines are the derivatives of ammonia, they have lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom due to sp3 hybridization. This lone pair of electron can be donated to the electron deficient species, example H+, and therefore, according to Levy's theory of acids and bases, electron pair donors are bases. Hence, amine are weak bases. For example, RNH2, primary amine, it can donate electron pair to H+, that is proton, and it forms RNH3+. The order of basicity of amines, secondary amine is more basic than primary amine. In turn, primary amine is more basic than tertiary amine. Secondary amines have 2 alkyl groups attached to nitrogen. These 2 alkyl groups have +I effect. Due to this electron donating ability of alkyl groups, donation of lone pair of electron from nitrogen increases, and hence secondary amines are most basic. Comparing to secondary amines, primary amines are less basic due to less +I effect. Tertiary amines are least basic due to large steric hindrance, that is repulsion due to excessive crowding. This excessive crowding delocalizes lone pair of electron on nitrogen, and therefore probability of donation is decreased. Let us see reactions of amines. Number 1. Reaction of amine with nitrous acid. The reaction of amine with nitrous acid is used to distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Nitrous acid, molecular formula HNO2, is unstable. It is prepared during the course of reaction from cold dilute hydrochloric acid and sodium nitrate as follows. NaNO2 plus HCl gives HNO2 plus NaCl. Reaction of nitrous acid and primary amine. Primary amines, when heated with nitrous acid, it form alcohol and effervescence of nitrogen gas. This reaction is not shown by methylamine. Methylamine forms dimethyl ether with nitrous acid. All other primary amines show this reaction. Secondary amines. Secondary amine, when heated with nitrous acid, it gives oily yellow colored nitrosoamine. These nitrosoamine are carcinogenic. The overall reaction is known as Lieberman's nitroso reaction. This test is used to identify secondary amine. Tertiary amines. Tertiary amines do not react with nitrous acid due to absence of hydrogen atom in their functional group. The above illustrated reactions can be used to distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Next reaction is acetylation of amines. The substitution reaction in which hydrogen atom or atoms from amino or imino group are replaced by acetyl group is known as acetylation. This reaction is used to differentiate primary, secondary and tertiary amines. This reaction is carried out in presence of weak base like pyridine or sodium hydroxide. The common acetylating agents used for the reaction are acetic anhydride and acetyl chloride. The formulae are as follows. Acetylation of primary amines. Primary amines on acetylation in presence of weak base like pyridine first form monoacetyl derivative and then form diacetyl derivative. Example, ethylamine when treated with acetic anhydride or acetyl chloride in presence of weak base like pyridine or dilute sodium hydroxide, first it forms monoacetyl ethylamine and then diacetyl ethylamine as shown below. Secondary amines. Secondary amines form only monoacetyl derivative when treated with acetylating reagent in presence of pyridine. This is due to presence of only one replaceable hydrogen atom on ammonia. For example, diethylamine when treated with acetyl chloride in presence of weak base like pyridine, it forms monoacetyl diethylamine. Tertiary amines. Tertiary amines do not react with acetic anhydride or acetyl chloride due to absence of hydrogen atom in their functional group. Therefore, acetylation is also used to distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary amine. Depending upon the amount of acetylating reagent consumed, the nature of amine can be predicted. Next reaction of amine is alkylation of amines. The substitution reaction in which hydrogen atom from amino or imino group are replaced by alkyl group is known as alkylation. Primary and secondary amines react with alkyl halide to form tertiary amines. Tertiary amines on alkylation finally form quaternary ammonium salts, which are also known as tetraalkyl ammonium salts. During acetylation, primary amine is converted to secondary amine, secondary amine is converted to tertiary amine, and finally tertiary amine is converted to quaternary ammonium salt. The amount of alkyl halide required to convert given amine to quaternary ammonium salt from this nature of amine can be predicted. Next is short note on quaternary ammonium salt. Definition: alkyl derivatives of ammonium salt obtained by replacing all the 4 hydrogen atoms attached to nitrogen by 4 alkyl groups are known as quaternary ammonium salt. The following table shows structure of quaternary ammonium salt. The examples of quaternary ammonium salts are tetramethyl ammonium iodide, tetraethyl ammonium chloride. Preparation of quaternary ammonium salt. Tetraalkyl ammonium salt, that is quaternary ammonium salt, is prepared by treating ammonia with excess of alkyl halide or by direct action of tertiary amine on alkyl halide as follows. Ammonia plus 4Rx, it gives R4N plus X minus plus 3HX. Alternatively, R3N, that is tertiary amine, plus Rx, it gives R4N plus X minus, that is quaternary ammonium salt.